Welcome to the FS Tech channel. Today episode is cable tray measurement using Revit. Please subscribe me, click the bell icon, give a like and give your comments under the comment section. Cable ways can be classified as cable tray, cable trunking and cable ladder. However, today's topic is related to the cable tray measurement using Revit. Measurement of cable trunking and cable ladders are similar to this, no difference. Then we will see what is the principle of measurement for works of construction. For cable tray measurement, it is stated that cable tray shall be measured by length. However, we have to specify the width and height. First, you require to open the cable tray model from Revit. Now, we will see the properties of cable tray. Right-click the cable tray and from the drop-down menu, click the properties. Now we can see the parameters of cable tray under dimension, size, width, height and length. Then click view. Then click schedule. Then you get this drop-down menu. From this drop-down menu, click schedule. Then select the electrical because cable trays are under the electrical discipline. Then select the cable tray. Then click OK. Then select the you require parameters. You can select using green horizontal arrow, height, length, width. Then you can use bottom vertical arrows to arrange this height, width and length you require sequence. Then click OK. Then you will get this schedule. Then click File. Then click Export. Then click Reports. Then you will get this drop-down menu. From this drop-down menu, click Schedule. Then you require to select the location to be saved, this CSV file. CSV file means comma separated value file. However, this comma separated value file to be again transformed to the Excel file. I will show you. First save this CSV file. You require location. You see this CSV. This is CSV file. Then this CSV file we require to transform to the Excel file. For that one, first click the file. Then click the save as. Then find the location to be saved. We will save to the desktop. Then here you can see CSV file. Then we have to choose the Excel workbook. This is Excel file. Now we will see the properties of cable tray fitting. Right-click the cable tray fitting and from the drop-down menu, click the properties. Now you can see width, length, height, thickness and size are given. Here width 1 means running width, width 3 means branch width. Keep in mind, again I will repeat, width 3 means this branch width. Now we will see another fittings, that is bend properties. You can see width, height, thickness, length, bend radius, angle, size also are given. Then we will see another fitting, that is also bend. We will check. You have to right click that fitting and from the drop down menu click the properties. You can see here angle, bend radius, length, thickness, tray height, width, size all are given. Again we will see another fitting T. This is a final. You can see all width, length, height, thickness, size are given. Again I will repeat to width 3 means branch width and width 1 means running width. To get the schedule, now click the view, then click the schedule. From the drop down menu, click the schedule / quantities. From here, we have to change to electrical because cable trays are under the electrical disciplines. Here select the cable tray fittings. Then you have to transfer the required parameters from left to right using horizontal, clicking the horizontal green arrow. Click the size. Then click the family and type and click the green arrow. Then click OK. Then you will get the schedule. Then we require to get this schedule to Excel sheet. Click the file. Click the export. Click the reports, click the schedule and select the location to be saved. Please keep in mind, first we get in the CSV value file. CSV means comma separated value file. Then we require to transfer this file to the Excel. I will show you how to do this one. Click save. Then we will get the CSV file. Now this CSV file we have to transfer to the Excel file. Click the file, click the save as, then select the location to be saved. Then CSV file. This CSV file has to be transferred to the Excel workbook. Then save. Then you will get the Excel file. Thank you very much. On behalf of FS Tech Channel, BIM MEP episode 2 cable tray measurement using Revit. Please subscribe me. Click the bell icon. Give your like and give your comments under the comment section. Thank you very much.